Hi, my name is Abby Mindenhall, and I'm a future graduate of Indiana University with my major in elementary education and then a minor in general music studies. My ultimate goal is to be teaching in a fourth grade classroom in Indy, so um, pretty local. And then I believe that technology is really important within the classroom because in a growing age of technological advancement, it's important to keep up and help students foster that education. So, and here we'll go to my gallery. My gallery really just kind of pinpoints my greatest works throughout this year and throughout this course. So my first artifact is my problem-based learning lesson plan. This lesson plan really allowed me to explore education and explore how technology can really benefit the classroom and help engage students. It ultimately involves a class selection and a research project, which will foster a lot of different learning environments and really drive students to help lead their own learning. My next artifact is my computational thinking artifact. This is where I created a board game to simulate a coding exercise. Coding is really important for students because, as I said, in the growing age of technology, it's being used very commonly in a lot of different career and field studies. My next artifact is my production task badge, which for this I created an ebook. So what students would do within the classroom is create their own ebook to discuss their material, because the best way to really understand something is to be able to teach it to someone. So this not only lets me assess students in their understanding, but it also allows them to further their own knowledge. My final one is my digital citizenship artifact. With the internet and online streaming services and connections and collaborations, it's really important to know how to use the internet safely, especially for adolescents and youth. So this provides an opportunity for students to look at different profiles created through Facebook, and also figure out how to respond to messages or how to respond to scenarios which are realistic and could happen in real life. So this will not only better prepare them, but it'll allow them to see right and wrong aspects. All in all, I believe that using technology in my classroom is incredibly important, just because it's important to help keep students up to date and help them understand technology. W200 has really shown me a lot of different resources and opportunities that I plan to implement within my classroom. The badges, which are in my portfolio under my professional development page, are some examples of my works and some of the most engaging activities that I did. And I'm really excited to use this in my future.